So I'm nominating the Student App Development Team for the Innovation Award this year, and I'm nominating them because they use their innovation skills to develop a brand new app for the student population. So based on negative student feedback from our previous app that we bought in, they spotted an opportunity to develop something themselves in-house using their design and innovation skills. So they built an app from scratch, and not only did they have the skills to build the app, but they had to sell this idea to senior managers. So the app does lots of things. Mostly, the most important thing is it helps students find their way to lectures, and it gives them a timetable of events for their day so they know what to expect. The new app was downloaded and used actively by about twice as many students as the previous app was used, and the feedback from the students was amazing. The App Store rating went from about 2 stars to 4.8 stars on the Apple App Store.
So Catherine and Fernando have founded the Rapid Lab, and Rapid Lab allows staff across the university to access a rapid prototyping solution to allow them to see their ideas constructed into software which they can then demonstrate and prototype. A really good example of this is where they've worked with colleagues in the Cardiff Business School to offer some software prototyping which has been used in the Brazilian rainforest to allow crowdsourcing for environmental factors. Essentially, they deserve this award because there is nothing quite like this within the university. The Rapid Lab is an absolutely wonderful and innovative service that's been offered, and that's why they deserve this award.
ERLab's an innovative initiative in its own right. We initially created the Public Services Innovation Lab for Wales in partnership with Nesta, and over this current period we've moved to now a wholly operated within Cardiff University, led out of the School of Social Sciences. And it's an initiative that engages with public sector actors within Wales to work on new innovation projects to deliver improvements in, for example, public services delivery, or improvements in value for money of public sector funding. They led a programme called Innovate to Save, which supported public sector organisations in being more innovative with developments that they could undertake with a view to taking on loans that they would repay through the savings that were made. They, for example, ERLab worked with Flintshire Council on a very interesting project under the Innovate to Save programme. And they've also diversified their activities of late, working in a really interesting space, applying arts ideas to health issues and health problems, and most recently partnering with Welsh Government on behavioural insights work to support Welsh Government's development of COVID practices and policies. There's a number of strands of activity underway, and I think this is a timely opportunity to acknowledge what's been achieved.